This is Julien, the French winemaking guy who makes wine videos here on YouTube. Yes, wine videos. And we are looking at how to pronounce the name of the rather famous, rather prestigious chateau or winery in the Saint-Émilion area of the Bordeaux wine region of France. This is a classified gross, a Grand Cru Classé of Saint-Émilion, classified in the last 2012 classification of the wines of Saint-Émilion. We are looking at how to pronounce Château Chauvin, with the typical French pronunciation Château Chauvin. Château Chauvin. It'd be fine in English or American to say Château Chauvin. Château Chauvin. But again, with the typical French pronunciation Château Chauvin. The wines from Saint-Émilion by Château Chauvin. I hope this video was useful. If you want to learn more about the classification of the wines from Saint-Émilion, which are the top Saint-Émilion wines, here is a video exactly about this. I will leave you to it, and I will see you soon in the wonderful world of wine. Au revoir. Bye-bye.